Building. Okay, pal. Basically, you want, say, if you've got, we'll do these, okay? If you haven't got them at Imperial level, you know these marquees one, and you've got 100 odd, just level them up to Imperial, okay? So, you haven't even got to put them in your stash, by the way. You haven't got to put them in your inventory here. You can just go up to the jewelers, go there, and what I tend to do is just level up to Imperial, or any gems that I have. I'll just go to the Imperial, as you can see there. Just do that for every one of them. Okay. Alright, and then I just plonk them back in like that. Now you see that I've got 111 of these diamonds. I don't really want to use the diamonds. Let's take the reds, because we're Dex orientated, we're green orientated. So for this video, let's take the reds. Okay, we haven't even got to move them. Okay, and just use them up, because I don't need them for any tunes. So I'm going to come over here, and then rubies are for reds. Now what you got to work out, 9 of the flawless level, yeah, will make one high level gem. Okay, so if we just type in 9, okay, we just make 9 at a time, make another 9, so that's 1 gem, we've got 2 gem, and make another, so we'll have 3 highest level gems from this. Okay, so we go up a level, okay, yeah, because we've done them, we've got these, and we want to level these ones up to the royal. You can see that there. Yeah, we got 27, there's 27 there, divided by 3 will make 9 royal rubies. So we just type in 9, we'll do the arrow key, hit that, and then it goes to 3, and these are there. We've got 9 royal rubies. We want to make the flawless royal ruby, so we just go 3, yeah, click. Now once you have 9 of them, which we have got, we've just got, yeah, we'll bring that 9 and we go to Act 2. Okay, this is important that you know. This is the reason why I'm making this video for you. So you go to Squirt the Peddler, okay, and then if you go down the side here, you go to Miscellaneous, and if you want a green gem, then you go for Essence of Emerald. If you want a purple, Amethyst, want a grey diamond, and so on. Well, in this case we want green. Okay, and each one of these does 9 gems, so we just buy that for 500,000 gold. Okay, then we go to the cube, hit the recipe book, and we go to the gem things, which is here, number 6. We put in our gems and we put in our essence, and we hit transmute, and look what we've got now. We've got 9 green gems. Okay, and that's basically what I wanted to show you. Okay, so if you haven't got enough, you can always make sure that you got a stack. Well, it's 9 actually, it's a stack of 9 and not 10, but who cares, eh? So now we got, you know, we can use the other gem colours that we don't really use or whatever, you know. So anyway, I hope that helps, and I'll post it onto you now. Save out.